Okay, good morning, everyone. Is this a great day or what?
Yes.
That says it all right there. My name is Judy Weiss. I'm honored to be the new Parks and Recreation Director for Coconino County, and I've been here for 4 months and am humbled today to be before you, not as anyone who had anything to do with acquiring this beautiful property, but one that's entrusted and honored to be entrusted with its future. So I'm happy to welcome you all here today to the dedication of Rogers Lake. So let's begin the program by recognizing some special guests that are with us this morning, without whose hard work and expertise this acquisition would not have been possible. And I'd like, as I kind of call you up, if you could just stand and be recognized by everybody. The Miller family is first on our list. Sorry. Over here. The Mantarola family. I know Joe is here. There's some City of Flagstaff staff, and I'm not sure if there's officials here, but we'd like to thank them. Thank you for City of Flagstaff for coming. Friends of Flagstaff's Future, is anybody here? I thank them. The Grand Canyon Trust was very instrumental in this project. The Friends of Coconino County Parks are very valuable to us, and they're not here today because they're preparing for the Food and Wine Festival. Oh, they are! Oh, yes, Paul Babbitt. And thank you. They do have an event this weekend at the Fort Todd Hill. You're all invited to that. The Rogers Lake stakeholders, and I know there are many of you here. If you could stand or raise your hands, they're an ongoing group that help. The Nature Conservancy is also an important guest this morning, as is Arizona Game and Fish, of course. I know they're here. They have a booth over there. If you haven't visited that, please do. U.S. Fish and Wildlife is here as well. Thank you, Shaw. And we're very honored to have former Supervisor Paul Babbitt here as well, who was here when this project first began. We also are very fortunate to have our Board of Supervisors here this morning, and they have some remarks for you. So I would like to invite Chair Mandy Metzger up. Thank you, Mandy. Again, as Mandy mentioned, these things are really tough because you always have so many people that are involved in a project like this that work so hard. So, again, I'd like to thank Camp Navajo, who are actually here to help us celebrate. And I also neglected to mention the Parks and Recreation Commission, who advises us on all of our parks, including this one, and many of them are here today, and so thank you.
I really want to thank them. And I forgot Deb Hill, who was on the second board, who also saw us through this project. And she's not here, she's in Montana, but she is with us here in spirit. So thank you. Yeah.
No dedication ceremony would be a dedication ceremony if we didn't have some special recognitions to give out, and we do have that this morning. We have some very special handmade tokens made by our artist in residence on our staff, Jeffrey Gross, and so I'd like to actually give the first group to our Board of Supervisors, so if they could all come up and get their award and say thank you for this whole place.
Jeffrey, thank you. So neat.
you like to see it?
Sure. Oh, it's so heavy, too.
And then I'm just going to call out
part of the gold.
And if you could come up and get one of these, and Chairman Metzger is going to help me hand them out. Our deputy county managers, Larry Dannenfeld and Mike Townsend, come on up. Get one of these. We have one for County Manager Steve Peru, too, who couldn't join us today.
This looks like gold.
It's not part of the goal. We still couldn't find it. Sarah Reif, Arizona Game and Fish. Thank you so much for all your work. And Charla Headwall, U.S. Fish and Wildlife. She's been mentioned already this morning. And Janet Lynn is here from Camp Navajo. We kind of forgot Camp Navajo, but they've been very instrumental. Thank you so much, Janet. And Lee Ludecker from Arizona Game and Fish. Absolutely critical to the success of this project. And then we have some county staff as well. Joanne Keene. Thank you for all your help. She's our Government Relations Director and also our PIO for the county. A job she loves. Henry Ortiz is the county appraiser and part of the technical work that's done to acquire a project like this. We couldn't have done it without Henry. Gene Wilcox is our Deputy County Attorney who works with our department and all of our issues on a day-to-day basis. Thanks, Gene. And Doris Wood, who I think everyone knows. Where is she? She's our administrative specialist in our office and was on the grants team. She might have left without her award. Okay. And Jeffrey Gross, who is our project coordinator on our staff. I'd like to recognize him. And Jean Trupiano, who is so key. Thank you, Jean. So key. She's our planning and acquisition manager for the county, and this could not have happened without her work. I think that's everybody. I would also like to do a special Rick Miller. I'm sorry. Thank you, Jeffrey. This is really hard to do. Thank you, Rick. I didn't mean to miss you. Thank you. And our last thank you goes to Maria Beyer, who is the Arizona State Land Commissioner. And I understand that this is maybe her first project that she's worked from inception to dedication day, anyway. And I'd like her to accept this plaque on our behalf. Thank you. And invite you to say some remarks if you want, if you like.
The plaque?
Oh, sure. Please, Mandy, go ahead.
The plaque says, in appreciation, Maria Beyer, Arizona State Land Commissioner. Thank you for your assistance in the acquisition of Rogers Lake. Coconino County will now be able to protect and preserve 2,250 acres of land, including 1,400 acres of ephemeral wetland. Rogers Lake is known for its significant natural and cultural resources and incomparable wildlife viewing, and it can now be enjoyed by future generations.
One last thank you, and that is to thank the Parks and Recreation staff, all of whom, save one back at the office answering the phones, is here today. So they did all the setup and continue to work to provide your park system for you. So a round of applause for them. Thank you very much. And now what we've all been waiting for, we're going to cut a ribbon somehow, and I'm not sure where.
Downtown.